Step 1. Flash the image file to SD card. Download the latest Windows IoT image from DEBIX official website. Verify that the MD5 of the downloaded file is the same as the one provided on the website. Connect the SD card to the computer through a card reader. Flash the image file to SD card via lineature. Step 2. Flash the EFI firmware to eMMC. Use a USB data cable to connect DEBIX and the computer. Press and hold the button, and connect the power cable. There's another way to do this step. Move the dip switch to 0001, and then connect the power cable. When we download the image, the EFI firmware is downloaded along with it. I've unzipped the firmware file beforehand. Let's start running Windows PowerShell in the terminal. Next we enter the root directory of the EFI firmware. Then run the command to start flashing. After this process, we disconnect the power supply first, and then disconnect the USB cable. Move the dip switch to 0010. Step 3. System installation. Insert the SD card into SOM A I/O board. Next connect the display, mouse and power cable. It will install the system automatically. This process may last 20 minutes, just wait for it, don't disconnect the power. After installation, we will see the Windows To Go interface. Then we have the Windows system setting, after which we can enter the desktop. We can check the system configuration through Setting in Task Manager. Now we've finished installing Windows IoT. I'm gonna to shut down the system and disconnect the power. See you next time.